All right, guys, back working here on the '06 Dodge Ram Mega Cab. Today's gonna be a really short, simple video. Basically, my little lever here for my tilt on my steering wheel is broke. So, I mean, it still works, but the actual piece is broke. So, I bought a new one off of eBay. I want to say these are like $8. So, I believe it's like a T. I think this thing's a T15 or a T20. Holds it in place. Pretty basic. Again, I'm just making this kind of a short video if anybody's wondering how this all goes back together. You've got your holes there that these line up into. Place those into place. Take your screw here and start it back. So tighten her down. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Again, if anybody has one of these that's broke, really simple fix. And now steering wheel will go up and down. So, but anyway, thought I'd throw a quick video of that. Not a whole lot to it, but in case anybody's wondering, you can get those. It's just steering wheel tilt. So, kind of a little preview of video coming. The day after put the Raptor bed liner in the back of the truck. So video coming on that hopefully this week. Haven't closed the tailgate yet, still waiting for it to fully cure. Up here on the top I got bed rails. There'll be a video of that. I've put in these caps, so it'll clean all that up. But yeah, I've got a cap that'll go over the top of those. I think they're Bushwhacker or something like that. I'll get to that later. But anyway, that's where the truck sits. Like I said, really just kind of wanted to do that little quick video. And stay tuned, guys. Some other stuff coming for the truck. I've got a 5-inch lift I'll be putting underneath it. And again, plan to reupholster the seats and some other stuff on this pickup. So if you guys like the content, hit that subscribe button and feel free to ask any questions. Thanks again.